Hello students, now we are going to move forward in our median chapter. In the previous video you learned about this individual series and discrete series. Okay, so we learned that how to find median in case of individual and discrete. Now this is an example of continuous series. Okay, so how to find median in case of this continuous series. In your books this is on page 242, the unsolved question. Okay, so the solution is not there, but we will find the answer, like how to go or move forward in this type of question. So here, thus just like discrete series, we will find cumulative frequency over here. So what is cumulative? 5, write down here. 5 plus 10, 15. I am just citing the values. Then this will be 31. Then 31, 41, 8, 49 will be there. Then 61, then add this 10, so it is going to be 71. 71 and 8, this is going to be 79. Now what we do, we'll do the total of frequency to get this n over here. Okay, it must be 79, otherwise we have done some mistake over here. So 5, 6, 11, 11 and 8, again 19, 9 and 2, 21, 21 and 8, 29, right? 9. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 79. So we are right. 79, 79 it is telling here. So we have done here cumulative frequency correctly. Okay, just like in discrete series. How I calculated 5 as it is, don't change. Then 5 plus 10, 15. Then 15 plus 16, 31. 31 plus 18, 49. 49 plus 12, 61. Like that you calculate your cumulative frequency. Now the first thing what you need to do, the first step will be calculating this nth term. Okay, so here in continuous series you are not going to apply n plus 1 by 2, you are going to apply n by 2. Okay, in this case continuous series, so just remember it. Now n by 2th item. Okay, so what is n over here? N is 79. 79 by 2, so this is going to be 2 is 6 and 2 is 18, then 5, so 39.5 item. This is you're going to find in this cumulative frequency. So this will be a first step. Find this. Where? In cumulative. 5 is smaller, so it will not fall here. 15 is smaller, so 39 is more, it will not fall here. Again move forward. 31, 31 is also smaller than 39. It will not move. It will not be here. Then in this 49 value, this will lie. Why? Because this is greater than this, so it must lie here. So mark this first. Mark the center group here. Okay, now to calculate median you will have to find through another formula. It is m is equal to m, capital M is median, as I told you in the earlier videos. So it will be L1 plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by f into I. I is what? I is nothing but L2 minus L1, lower limit minus upper limit. The difference of this class interval, this is your I over here. Okay, I is what? L2 minus L1. Now what? Just put the values. But before putting, how to mark these values here? See, we will mark like this. In this group which you have selected, L1, L2, already you know now, this is upper limit, this is lower limit. Then this will be your F, 18. And CF will be your the preceding cumulative frequency. This is going to be your CF, 31. Okay, L1, L2, F and C. The preceding cumulative frequency will be your CF. Okay, now just put the value. L1 is 50, write 50. Then n by 2, we already calculated 39.5 it is. Okay, then minus CF. What is CF? 31. Write down 31 divided by F. F is what? 18 into I. I is what? The difference of class interval, which is 10. Okay. Now everything is fine. Every value we have applied here. So 50. Don't disturb this 50. Plus the difference here will be 8.5. 39.5 minus 31 is going to be 8.5. Then divided by 18 into 10. So what we can do? We can just cancel out these values. So 2 5s are 10. 2 9s are 18. This is how you can do. Then what we can do? You can just solve it further. Like solve this. 5 5 are 25. 5 8 are 40. 42. So 42.5. This is going to be multiplied. 8.5 into 5 means 42.5. Then divided by 9. So how do we cancel? Cancel by a small number. 3 is 9. Again 3 ones are 3. Then 3 fours are 12. And here it is going to be 12. 10 5. 3 ones are 3. So it is around 14 something. Cancel it again. So it is going to be 3 ones are 3. Again. Now 3 fours are 12. Okay, 12, 2 remaining 20, so 3 6 18. So it will be something around 4.6. So what we do? 50 plus 4.6. So it is going to be 54, around 54.6 something. Okay, you can make it 7, just round it up, or you can write just 54.6. This is M, capital M. This is your median, 54.6. And it must come here between 50 to 60. 54.6 will come here definitely. So our answer is right. If it was coming like suppose from in between 60 and 70, and your this class interval tells you that it should be here, and you're getting answer in 70s and 80s, then it is wrong. Okay, so just get this point that your median should be here in this group 50 to 60, and it is there. That means we have did it correctly. Okay, so just take a note of it. I told you it is the difference, and this is the formula for finding this median. Okay, just note it down.